So in this video, we have 4 more graphs, and each of these represents a straight line, and we need to write down the equation in each case. But instead of me giving you the x and y intercepts, I've given you the y-intercept and then another point that the line lies or goes through, or another point that lies on the line. So in this one, we know that the y-intercept is 1, and the line goes through 2, 11. So for the first one, we can write down that it is of the form y equals mx plus 1. The y-intercept is 1, so I know I can write that down, but I don't know what the gradient is. So the gradient can be found by finding the difference in the y-coordinates divided by the difference in the x-coordinates. So here, the gradient is, we're going from 11 down to 1, so 11 take away 1, over 2 to 0, so 2 take away 0. So 10 over 2, which of course is 5. So this is y equals 5x plus 1. Right, let's go for number 2. Now number 2 goes through 8 on the y-axis, so y equals mx plus 8. And it's got a negative gradient, so we know that m is going to be negative. And it's going through 4 minus 8. So let's draw ourselves a triangle. Then think about the difference in the y divided by difference in the x. So we've got minus 8, take away positive 8, divided by, that's a distance of 4, take away 0. So we have minus 16 over 4, which is minus 4. So the gradient here is minus 4. So y equals minus 4x plus 8. So that was from minus 8 to 8, so that's 16 divided by that distance there, which is 4. And it's a negative gradient. Right, let's try number 3. Now number 3 has a y-intercept of minus 3. So we know it's of the form y equals mx take away 3. Now as for the gradient, we know that the line goes through 10, 2. So the difference in the y-coordinates, we've got from 2 to minus 3. So 2 take away minus 3 is 2 plus 3. And then from 10 to 0, so 10 take away 0. So we've got 5 over 10, which is 1/2. So that must be my m. So y equals 1/2 x take away 3. Now what about the last one, number 4? Now the y-intercept here is minus 7. So y equals mx take away 7. And it's got a negative gradient. So we know that the gradient's going to be negative here. So I'm going to keep an eye out for that. Let's draw ourselves a triangle. So m is the difference in the y-coordinates. So that's going from 1 down to minus 7. So 1 take away minus 7 is 1 plus 7. Divided by the difference in the x-coordinates. That's going from minus 9 to 0. So minus 9 take away 0. So we've actually got 8 over minus 9, or minus 8/9. So this is minus 8/9 x take away 7.